In this video, I'll show you how to fold a koala bear bookmark. For this, you need square sheets of paper. I'll start with the body of the large koala. Fold two edges neatly together. Make sure to create a sharp crease. Then open the sheet again and fold the other two edges together. Open the sheet again and turn it over. Fold two corners together. Open the sheet and fold the other two corners together. Open the sheet again. Now fold the two side centers to the bottom center of the sheet so that it folds into a triangle. Then fold the tip of the triangle to the opposite edge. Next, open the triangle on the bottom side and open one side of the sheet to create a pocket. Fold this pocket downward. Do the same with the other side. Fold the sheet in half and fold a small corner inward on the side with fewer paper layers. Now open the middle and carefully fold the small corner inward. This will be the koala's bottom. Then open the sheet again and fold small corners at all 4 points. Carefully fold these corners inward as well. Now fold the sheet in half again. The body is now complete. For the head, fold the edges of the smaller sheet together. Open the sheet again and fold the other two edges together. Next, fold two adjacent corners to the center. Turn the sheet over and fold the other two corners to the center as well. Now fold the right upper edge to the middle line, ensuring the previously folded corner doesn't fold in but opens up. Do the same with the left upper edge. Fold the bottom tip upward. Then fold the top tip to the newly created bottom edge. The koala's head is now complete. Attach it to the body by applying glue to the inside, front and back and sticking it to the front and middle of the body. All that's missing now are the koala's eyes and nose. Repeat the same steps with the smaller sheets for the baby koala. Finally, you can place the baby koala on top of the large one.